Steele. I'm from Arcturus, and we're an Edge AI solutions partner with Synaptics. And we're here today to demonstrate our smart camera software stack running on the SL1680, which is Synaptics Edge AI platform. What it's doing is it's taking a live video stream from this IP camera. It's looking for different attributes within the field of view. You can have regions and zones and boundaries. A number of processing it through our analytics. So loitering, boundary crossing, occupancy, and motionless analytics. We can also look at statistics on the device. Incidents occurs, it creates a notification, and then we can view that notification, playback that video clip. I can scroll, scrub the video, I can look at events, I can even download events from the device. So the reason that you want to do this at the edge is pretty simple, because you want to do the analysis where the data is. And in this case, the data is right at the edge, is right where the camera is. The further away you are from the camera, the increased latency, the more connections you have, the more likelihood of some form of bottleneck is going to occur. There's a ton of performance on this. The really cool thing about this chip, probably from our perspective anyway, right now we're only doing one stream. We could do up to probably about 4 streams. There's plenty of NPU video capacity on this chip, plenty of GPU capacity. We can still use the 4K video feed, and we can overlay those events on top of it. It's a very different world than it was, in 2017 when the edge compute couldn't take advantage of the NPUs that just didn't exist at that point. This is really the new generation of the tech. It's a 7 TOPS NPU. It's extremely quick. It provides tons of performance.